spending time with my friends. Wow, okay. That's a surprise. Buddy's actually wolf whistling. Fantastic. Buddy's my cockatiel, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, so that's all what's going to be happening. Don't worry about Wave, guys, with him doing that with his beak. He always does that. I don't know why. Maybe because he's not used to being handled as much as what Daisy is. Are you coming out to have food and water, Daisy? Hope you guys enjoyed hearing Buddy doing a wolf whistle for the first time. That's if you guys are into that sort of stuff. Got the clip from an old recording part to the documentary video I'm doing for my two budgies who are currently in the process of possibly having babies at the moment. So yep. Anyways, if you guys liked this video, leave a like down below, comment, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good Halloween month. Bye!